Kellogg's Fruit Loops is proud to sponsor programming that stimulates children's growth and sense of adventure.
Sagwa was made possible by the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you. Doink.
PBS Kids!
If you're not paying attention, you'll miss more of WETA Kids.
I'm Angelina Ballerina. Alice is my very best friend. Oh, she does ballet too. We have lots of fun and adventures together. But my dream is to be the best dancer ever.
Saturday mornings on WETA Kids.
Don't get stopped by blocks, don't get chilled by spills, don't get blocked by sots. If you try again, you will. Feel the power in your tower. Socks feel neat on your feet. Clean that spill if you will. And try again. Oh, yeah.
You're watching WETA KIDS, WETA Kids.